Alright, today we're going to be replacing the Palmrest / keyboard on a Lenovo n22. The first thing you need to do is flip it over and get these little rubber feet off. These are a pain to get off because they're glued on there really well. I'm sure there's a PC way to do it, but I just grab a screwdriver and yank them off. You will see that they are actually labeled. This one is labeled A, so it'll need to go back in that order. I've actually found the easiest way to do this is to insert the flathead screwdriver diagonally to the back side of the screw. That way it comes up a little easier. Once you got these off, then you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws to remove. In case you were wondering, by doing this you are voiding your warranty with Lenovo, so I would only suggest doing this if you have no more Lenovo warranty. Let's flip that over and get the rest of the screws out. Alright. And we're going to open the case up. And just apply a little pressure to the side. You get the keyboard to start to come up, and you just pry along the side until it all pops up. Alright, now you notice when I get up there, you'll see two ribbon cables that are still connected. That is ribbon cable here and here. You're going to want to go in here and pull up on the cable housing to release it, and release it. So here's your old keyboard with the missing screw, and here are the two ribbon cables that you'll have to reconnect once you're ready to put it back together. So I've got the new Palmrest right here, and I can tell you getting these ribbon cables in is not as easy as it looks. I always start with the big one. You get it centered in there, and you can feel it. You can push it in a little bit, and then lock it down. And then you start with this. Take the smaller one, and you get it in there, and you lock it down. All right. So when you're putting this back together, I found the easiest way to do this is to start at the back, angle it like this, and then snap it all around. You have to push with a little bit of pressure. You're going to want to go around the outside to make sure you got it all snapped around. Looks good. We're going to close the top, flip it over, and reinsert our screws. Alright, once all your screws are back in, you're going to find your A-tab, your A foot. Now you'll see that on the bottom of this A foot it's got two little dots. You're going to line that up with the corresponding dots on the Chromebook. And once you do that, it should pretty much just kind of pop right on. You can kind of feel when you got them. Back on, Chromebook's back together. there you go. Lenovo N22 Palmrest changed out.